Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Kadhai. In our today's video, we are making an authentic flour-based sweet recipe, Mohan Thal. Mohan Thal is a very popular besan-based barfi recipe from the state of Gujarat. This barfi is specially prepared during festive season like Holi, Diwali. This barfi is similar to a besan barfi which we make, but it has its own grainy texture which makes it really unique, and the taste and the flavor of this barfi is also a little different from the usual besan barfi. So let's quickly see how to prepare it. Firstly, we'll take 2 cups of besan or gram flour. I'm using this bowl for measurement. So here goes 1 cup and here goes another cup. Into this we'll add 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, and we'll add 2 tablespoons of ghee. I'm using desi ghee. Now we just need to mix it like this. We actually want breadcrumb like texture, so mix it well. Here I am using mota besan, although you can use a normal besan which we use in our kitchen, but this barfi tastes well when we use mota besan. Here you can see we have got breadcrumb like texture. Now we have 2 options. We can either grind this mixture in a mixer grinder, or one can also sieve it using a sieve. So I'll be coarsely grinding this mixture. After grinding, you can see we have got this nice consistency. It looks just like mota besan. Now we'll take a heavy bottom kadhai like this, and into this we have added half a cup of desi ghee. For all the measurements I am using the same bowl. We'll heat the desi ghee. Into heated ghee we'll add our grounded besan mixture. Keep the flame on low medium side. When you are making any barfi, it's always better to take a heavy bottom kadhai like this. It helps in preventing the material getting stuck to the base. And we'll mix the mixture well with the desi ghee. And now we need to cook it for at least 15 to 20 minutes until we see a change in the texture. Do not roast this mixture on high flame. We do not want the color to change too much. We have to roast this mixture till the oil separates from it. So you have to continuously work on it. It's been 15 minutes and here you can see the color has changed and even the texture has changed. You can see that the ghee has started to separate. I will just cook this mixture for another 2 to 3 minutes. Here you can see that desi ghee has started to separate. At this stage we'll start to add half a cup of milk, but do not add milk in one go. Just add little by little and continue to roast the mixture. So we'll keep on adding milk and continue to roast it. Likewise, we'll use half a cup of milk to roast this mixture. The mixture is roasted well. Now we'll turn off the flame and we'll start to prepare sugar syrup. In another pan, we'll take 1 cup of sugar. We'll add 3/4 cup of water in it and we need to boil this mixture. I'll add cardamom powder, and now we just need to boil this mixture until the sugar dissolves and we'll check the consistency. Friends, you can see the sugar has dissolved completely. We do not want a very thick syrup. So the syrup is ready. We'll allow it to cool down a bit. Now we'll add sugar syrup into our besan mixture. and we need to cook this mixture until it dries up. Into the mixture I have also added little kesar milk. Just combine everything well. If you want, you can add food color for that red barfi, but I am avoiding using that. And the mixture is done. We will turn off the flame. Now we will transfer the mixture. I have lined a bowl here. You can use a steel plate and just grease it with desi ghee. We'll spread it nicely with the help of a spatula. Now we need to set our mohan thal for at least 4 to 5 hours, or you can even keep it for overnight for setting. Our mohan thal is set nicely. Now we will loosen out the edge. We'll just flip it over. Lovely. And then we can cut it into desired shape. This is a very tasty barfi recipe, usually made during festive season. So with Diwali around the corner, you can definitely try making this mohan thal. It's really tasty, really yummy. We can decorate mohan thal with silver work, or you can use nuts. Here I am using chopped walnuts, cashew nuts and pistachio. You can decorate mohan thal with silver work. Here I am garnishing it with few chopped nuts. I have few chopped cashew nuts, pistachio. And look at this, delicious mohan thal is ready to serve. This is a perfect sweet for festive season. You can see this one piece, it has turned out so well. It's very tasty, friends. Very different from the normal besan barfi we make. This is the danedar besan barfi. You will really enjoy it. You can store it for as long as 15 to 20 days. As I had told you initially that this barfi is similar to besan barfi, but here you can see the texture of this barfi is really different from the usual besan barfi we make. This is really creamy in taste and got richness in flavor. So friends, do try out this recipe. I'm sure you will really like it. Enjoy your festive season by preparing these delicious sweet recipes. I hope you liked watching today's video. Please give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and do subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.